Hello friends, my name is Komal Shamtambe. I am from MSc Zoology, SEM second. Today's my seminar topic is IS element and composite transposon, which is related to molecular biology. Related to mobile DNA recent in our genome. Most of the moderately repeated DNA sequence interspersed at multiple sites throughout the genomes of higher eukaryotic arrows. From mobile DNA elements encode enzymes that can insert their sequence into the site in genomic DNA. The figure represents structure of chromosome, plasmids, transfer, phases, free DNA. What is the IS elements? An element is a substance that cannot be broken down into any other substance. There are about 100 elements, each with its own type of atom. Everything in the universe contains the atoms of at least one or more elements. The periodic table lists all the known elements, grouping together those with similar properties. What is composite transposon? A composite transposon consists of two inverted repeats from two separate transposons moving together as one unit and carrying the DNA between them. For example, consider a segment of DNA flanked at both ends by two identical insertion sequences. Figure shows the all process of composite transposon. How it works in our genome. A genome is an organism's complete set of deoxyribonucleic acid, that is DNA, a chemical compound that contains the genetic instructions needed to develop and direct the activities of every organism. DNA molecules are made up of two twisting paired strands. Each strand is made of 4 chemical units called nucleotide bases. Structure shows the genome. Between two genes there is intergenic region. Above that there are chromosome, and above chromosome there are genomes. What is their role in central dogma? The central dogma is the process by which the instructions in DNA are converted into a functional product. During translation, these messages travel from where the DNA is in the cell nucleus to the ribosomes, where they are read to make specific proteins. The process shows transcription to translation, which is DNA to RNA and RNA to protein. Thank you. This is all about IS element and composite transposon.